Greetings, wild ones, wildlings, and indigo brothers and sisters. Welcome to my real life Hollywood Housewives reality TV show. And this is what we're having for dinner. This is a vegan meal cooked, and it's delicious. We've had this before. My husband just cooked it, and there's no meat and no dairy. It's made out of butternut squash, coconut milk, lentils and spinach, and it is a coconut yogurt, I believe, on top. With rice and I don't even know what that bread's called. Flatbread, I think. And this is the recipe here, and it's really delicious. It's a favourite with my family now, and this is the recipe. You can get it from this channel here, website, sorry, bbcgoodfood.com, and let's get the name for you. Here it is. Okay. Coconut and squash. Dan Shack, I guess that's Indian. Put this up. And my kids love it. Okay. Ingredients. If this cuts out, just go to the website, because I'm not sure how much time I've got on my camera. But the ingredients is 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 500 g of butternut squash, about 1 small squash peeled and chopped into bite-sized chunks, or buy a pack of ready prepared to save time. 100 grams frozen chopped onions. I don't know why they'd be frozen, but anyway, that's the recipe. 4 heaped teaspoons mild curry paste. We used korma, 400 g canned chopped tomatoes, 400 g canned light coconut milk. Oh, mini naan bread, that was naan bread. 400 g canned lentils strained, 200 g bag of baby spinach. And this is the packet here. Korma paste, coconut and coriander was the one that we used for this meal, and it really is delicious. It's now one of our favourites, and we don't miss chicken or meat at all. Okay, where's this again? Sorry about that, got distracted. Where am I? Back here. 4 heaped. Sorry about that. That's my daughter's friend calling, and yeah, I've got all these messages on my phone. Sorry about that, guys, but this is my real life, so you're just gonna have to put up with it because I don't know how to edit it out. Okay, 400 g canned lentils strained, 200 g bag baby spinach, 150 ml coconut yogurt. No dairy in this at all, and no meat products at all. We used Rachel's Organic Plus Extra Serve. So my husband's been learning how to cook vegan meals, and he's really good at it now. So it can be done. And we used to be big meat eaters, and like we don't buy milk anymore, dairy milk. Our fridge is full of soy milk, almond milk, nut milk. Okay, method. Heat the oil in a large pan, put the squash in a bowl with a splash of water, cover with cling film and microwave on high for 10 minutes or until tender. Meanwhile, add the onions to the hot oil and cook for a few minutes until soft. Add the curry paste, tomatoes, coconut milk and simmer 10 minutes until thickened to rich. You might want a pen and paper to write this down. So that was step 1. Step 2, warm the naan breads in a low oven or in the toaster. Drain any liquid from the squash. Sorry guys. Drain any liquid from the squash, then add to the sauce with the lentil, spinach and some seasoning. Simmer for a further 2-3 minutes to wilt the spinach. Then stir in coconut yogurt. Serve with warm naan and a dollop of extra yogurt. Exactly shown here. Because my husband thinks he's Gordon Ramsay of the vegan world. And we're not going to complain because it is actually really delicious. So, I hope that helps. It's from bbcgoodfood.com website. Coconut and squash. Coconut and squash, Dan Sack. Fully vegan. And prep 5 minutes, cook 15 minutes. This quick and easy vegetarian curry for healthy weeknight dinner with butternut squash, coconut milk, lentils and spinach. So, stay well, stay healthy, stay wild and have fun cooking vegan meals. And I will do more with raw recipes soon. Love you lots. Bye for now.